Hello again, Steve Dean, lineandpencil.com. This afternoon I'm going to do a video on a brown bear scratching his back. As you can see here, and according to this, I've blanked off just a few words there describing what the picture's about, the photograph, sorry. It's a brown bear scratching his back, and he's actually marking his territory by scratching and leaving odours on the tree trunk. Apparently, according to this little scratching session against the tree, which he uses to rid himself of parasites and to leave his scent for other bears which might be considering trespassing on his territory. And that's why he's doing this. So let's get some shapes down. This is what this is all about this afternoon. This tutorial is shapes of the bear, or shapes in general in art. So getting your shapes down. So rather than the finer detail here. So if you squint, even if you squint your eyes slightly, which is what I do, you tend to just close your eyes slightly. You can see the shapes more rather than the detail. So this is what I'm going to do. So let's get going. First of all, we're going to do the top side of the head around here, and then work my way down the neck, arm, elbow, paws, midsection, then the legs. And overall, what I'm trying to do is recreate the stance the brown bear is having, leaning and standing on the left while cocking his legs slightly, bending his legs slightly on the right into the tree. Okay, let's go. So we got ear here, which is put into context like that. And we got just to recreate the hair, just little wisps, lines. That's all you need. Just here to recreate that fur, even though it could be a shape as well. Well, shape, that's what the shape is. So we do it in this throat, and he comes over. He's got quite a lot of hair underneath the chin, the jawline. Jawline's about to there. Throat, you just see where the shoulder curves over and there's a throat there. So around to there. And down there. Stomach comes out a bit, the jawline's here. And then that's that claw, so it looks quite a meaty area, doesn't it? Again, shapes, just shapes for now. And I'll make another video on this. We'll put some detail in a later date. Yeah, and then from there, there's the angle of his wrist, I suppose. Yeah. There's his wrist, and then underneath his arm, just starting there. His elbow. And then round again. Even though he's hugging the tree here, but the shape is there. There for his shoulder, top of his shoulder, and then slightly bigger there, shorter. His eye is there. Maybe his head's a bit smaller actually. And then we've got coming down the body a little bit now. We'll do this lower section from the elbow down. that. And again, the shape, the leg goes over like that. His stomach is there. In fact, the fur is creating a lot of the way the flow of the fur gives you an idea of shapes. So there's shape there, one there, one there, yeah. We won't be able to fit all these legs in on this portrait shape. Just show you the leg going down there and one going down there. Put the tree in just here. It's just behind his back, isn't it? Just there. And then there's some negative space there. Just an angle to give the denoting the back of the tree onto his back, the bear's back, which is dead air. We call it the negative space. Yeah. So that's about it for now. A second video, I'll show you how to add some of the fur and a bit more shaping in the eyes. And watch this space. Thank you for taking time to view the video. That's me for now. lineandpencil.com, Steve Dean. Thank you.